In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper MCQs, Punjab University test, that is, if a function f is a function minus 2 to 3 implies r is defined by f of x is equal to 0, x is rational, 4 x is irrational. Solution, that is, since the upper sum is 4 and the lower sum is 0, so it is not Riemann integrable. Option B is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.